Okay, so we had just experienced Hurricane Harvey in 2017, August. It's almost coming up on a year, actually. And immediately after Harvey hit, it knocked out all infrastructure. Our 800 radio system was down. And unbeknownst to us at that time, it was going to be down for at least about 2 months. The first thing that came back online was cellular. Verizon, T-Mobile, Sprint, and all of them. AT&T, they drove in their cells on wheels, cows, had them up and running. We started having connectivity again. We had data back, and data was our lifeline at that time, but we had no communication because our 800 system was down. We had to rely on loaner radios to get all of our work crews and stuff in here and get them online and communicating. And this all came about when we had already started looking for a solution over smart technology, over cell phones. Why reinvent the wheel when the cellular infrastructure out there is very robust? They have such a response like they did during the hurricane. Within 2 days, we're back up and running. But yet our radio infrastructure would take over 2 months to come back online. So that was something that led us in the direction of finding smart technology, and Tango Tango was one of those things that came along. And Tango Tango gives us the ability to leverage the tools everybody has nowadays, and that is smartphones and technology with smart devices and computers. And we are now able to communicate on our radio system over our smart devices anywhere in the nation, as long as the cellular infrastructure is up and running, or as long as we have a data connection. How many data connections are there out there? We have one public radio system, and we have 4 different cellular carriers, major carriers around the area. Wi-Fi is ubiquitous and everywhere, so we always have a means to communicate now, more so than we ever did before.